Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Wally World. We have not been here in a very long time, but we're about to get into some really good rebate deals. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's get started. So this first deal I'm going to be grabbing is on the Revlon Illuminating Foundation. This is the skin caring variety. So I have this Ibotta rebate for $10 back on each. And these are actually on rollback. Even though they're not tagged in my store, they are $11.48. So that's going to make this foundation only $148 each with a limit of 3. So we can get back $30 on 3 of these. $148 is a definite stock up price for foundation. I'm also going to grab these travel size Old Spice body washes for $1.97 while I'm over here. We're going to submit back for $5 on 3 on Ibotta, making it just 97 cents for 3 of them. I do not need any more deodorant right now. I have so much deodorant, but the Degree Motion Sense deodorant is a really good deal at Walmart right now. So these are $4.98. We do have a $1.50 coupon in the 827 save. That'll leave you to pay $3.48, and then you want to submit over to Shopkick for 870 kicks, which is $3.48. So that'll make this deodorant completely free. I have a lot of drink deals going on right now at Walmart. One thing I did notice was on this Simply Mixology. So these right here are $3.58 regular price. We do have $1.50 back on Ibotta, and that rebate doesn't exclude coupons, and there are $1 hang tags on the product. So that is $2.50 in savings. So that'll make this product just $1.08, which is a definite stock up price. My refrigerator is actually full of Simply right now from the Kroger deal that we had last week. So I'm going to pass on this deal, but this is a good deal if you need it. Next thing I'm grabbing is the Gatorade Fast Twitch. So I'm going to submit back to Alexa for $1 on this and to Ibotta for $1, making it only 18 cents. So this deal on this water is actually why I came to Walmart, and I'll be at Walmart a couple more times because I want to max this out because I love stocking up on water, because I'm a little bit of a prepper, so you can't have too much bottled water in my opinion. So this is a nice deal that I got from Kayla Coupons over on Instagram. I got a couple deals in this haul from her. She is absolutely amazing. I love her. So these are $1.74, and you can get up to 9 of these actually, because this deal has a limit of 3, and you want to buy these in increments of 3. My store only has 4 on the shelf, so I'm only going to pick up 3 today, and then I'll buy some more a little bit later. But 3 of these will total up to $5.22, and then I'll get back $5 from Swag Bucks, making my final cost for these 3 big bottles only 22 cents, which is a definite stock up price. If you were to pick up 9 of these for $15.66, you would get back $15, making your final cost for 9 only 66 cents. The next item we're grabbing is 4 of the Arm & Hammer Light. So we're going to get these for $5.48, and then that totals us up to $21.92. We're going to submit back for 3 different rebates on these. We got $1 back on Ibotta. We have $10 back on Swag Bucks because we're going to get back $5 twice. And I'm going to submit over to Checkout 51 for $5.44, $1.30 back, 36 cents back on each one. So after all of that money back from all of the apps, 4 of these are going to cost us just $2.48 or 62 cents each. Next deal I'm going to be grabbing is another multi-rebate deal. So we're going to submit over to 3 different rebates for this as well. So I'm going to get 2 different kinds of the Big Suavitel. I'm going to get one that is 120 ounces and then one that is 105 ounces. So both of these, the one that is 120 is $8.47. The one that is 105 is $8.97, are going to total me up to $17.44. I'm going to submit over to Checkout 51 for $1.48 on each one. I'm going to submit over to Swag Bucks for $2 back on one and $3 back on the other one. Then I'm going to submit over to Shopkick for 815 kicks on each one, which is equivalent to $3.26. So I'll get $6.52 back from Shopkick. It will make my final cost for these 2 just $2.96 or $1.48 each. And these actually turned out to be cheaper than I calculated because when I scanned in my receipt, I got back $7 from Swag Bucks instead of 5 because I did get credit for this $7 offer instantly. So that made the final cost for these only $1.12, or 60 cents each for these huge bottles. I don't need any of the Gain Power Blasts right now, but if you do, these are a pretty decent deal as well. So you can grab the refills for $3.44 each, and then we have an Ibotta rebate for $3.99 back on 2. It'll make your final cost for the refills just $1.44 each. We also have a nice Ibotta deal on the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So these are $3.24. We have $4 back on 2 on Ibotta, which will make your final cost for these only $1.24 each. Next thing we're grabbing is this Raid Ant Bait. So this is $4.18. I'm going to submit over to Alexa for $2 and to Ibotta for $2, making this only 18 cents. Now we're in the baby and toddler section. We're gonna grab 4 of these Beech Nut Dino biscuits. So these are $3.48, but we got $2 back on Ibotta, and we got $1.50 back on each on Fetch Rewards. So I'm gonna grab 4 of them for completely free. One deal I planned on doing, but I wasn't able to get over to that aisle, was on the Bob's Organic Steel Cut Oats. So right now we have 965 kicks back on Shopkick, which is $3.86. So that'll make your final cost for the organic oatmeal just $1.50, which I think is a really good price. If you are not signed up for Shopkick, definitely sign up using my code STAR, and you will get $5 in free kicks when you redeem your first offer like this one. That'll make an offer like this completely free. Now I'm going to grab a couple Ibotta freebies. So the first one I'm going to get is over here. Well, both of them are over here by the checkout aisle. I'm going to grab the Werther's sugar-free caramel. So these are going to be free after rebate. And then I'm also going to come over here and get the Mamba, because this is actually my favorite candy. This is going to be super free after our Ibotta rebate as well. Next thing I'm grabbing is this Keurig, if that's how you say it, sports wrap. So these are $1.97, but Shopkick is giving back $2.22. So this baby right here will be free plus a 25-cent money. So I do have an Ibotta bonus offer for like 15 offers for $5. I am not hitting 15 offers in today's trip, but I can start working on it. So we'll start working on it today, but definitely not going to get that bonus. Hopefully I can finish it up by the time I get to CVS one Sunday. Let me know down in the comments what you got for this weekend. Hopefully you guys have an easier bonus to reach than me, even though 15 offers isn't that bad, but I prefer like 10. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I grabbed from Walmart. Everything worked out beautifully. I used no paper coupons. This was all digital. So my subtotal was $110.14. I did redeem for a $61 Ibotta gift card before I did this haul to lower my out-of-pocket. So I used that Ibotta gift card. So I was like rolling some of the money, and then I paid the rest out of pocket. And then I got back $53.96 from Ibotta. I got back $22 from Swag Bucks. I got back $8.60 from Shopkick. I got back $8.24 from Checkout 51. I got back $6.06 from Fetch Rewards, and then $3 from Amazon Alexa, and that is for the Gatorade and the Raid. So total cash back for this haul was $101.86. Made my final cost for everything just $8.28. I like that $8.28. That's my birthday, or 34 cents each, because we got 24 items, which I think is amazing for everything that we got, especially for a bonus to not be included and to not really have any like overage from clearance or anything like that. $8 for this cart is a steal. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have not already, let me know what you're picking up from Walmart this week. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.